This section allows you to record the occupation status of the property, as well as any information on the tenant currently residing in the property. Use the occupation field to record if the property is vacant, rented to a tenant, being used by the owner themselves to live in full-time, or if it is used by the owner as a holiday home. This is useful to know when gaining access to the property or for viewings. The accessibility field allows you to record how to gain access to the property for viewings. If the property is rented, you can fill in this information in the fields on the right-hand side of the section and include the date until which it is rented, for this will affect the end-use buyers. How much the tenant is paying, which is very useful for potential investor buyers to know, and who the tenant is, which can save you time in a contact record along with their contact details should you need to reach them for viewings.